It's a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Welcome to a ride that is as spectacular as the scenery. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V8 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, voice activation, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and multi-speed automatic transmission. The truth about cars proclaims it's staggeringly competent off-road, but it's also an absurdly composed, quiet, and comfortable freeway cruiser. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.